Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the Xiaomi Smart Band, okay, 7 Pro, or also known as the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, and our Huawei Band 7. And this time we are going to compare the two wearable. Which is better? And what are the features and menus available for each band. Okay, so we have here the packaging here for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, and we have the Huawei Band 7, and of course we have here the two wearable. Okay, so let's adjust this first. Okay, as you can see here, we have the beautiful display. Both our AMOLED display we have here activated the always on display. So let me adjust this one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 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 let's all day always on. Okay, so we have here, we already adjusted it, and let's take a look at the display here. Okay, so for the display here, as you can see, for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, we do have a 1.64-inch AMOLED display, so much bigger, with 426 by 280. While for our Huawei Band 7, we have 1.47-inch AMOLED also, with 368 by 147. Okay, so much smaller. Okay, but both do have a very good brightness. Okay, slim black bezel here. Okay, on the side, on the right side, as you can see, there's a physical button for the Huawei Band 7, while for the Xiaomi Mi Band Pro, okay, just a plain frame. Okay, at the back here, okay, so we have the sensors, as you can see. Okay, both do have a magnetic charging cable. Okay, so much wider for the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, as you can see here. I guess for the length it's just the same maybe. Okay, well for the weight, let's check. Okay, okay, for the length here, let's just check it. Okay, so we do have 44, as you can see here, almost 45. Okay, so around 44, 45 millimeter here. Okay, then for the Huawei bands, or for the Huawei Band 7, let's adjust. Okay, we do have a somewhat the same, as you can see here. Okay, so for the thickness, let's check. 9 or 8 point something for the Huawei Band, while for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, it is okay, almost the same. Okay, so similar, just the width, there's a big difference in width. Okay, while for the weight, let's check. Remove it. Let's remove the back packaging here. Okay, 00. Let's check. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. We have 31.29 grams. Okay, while for the Huawei Band 7, we do have 28.12 grams only. So much lighter. Okay. Again, both are Both are 580 waterproof, and of course it also features uh, always on display. But the always on display of the Huawei Band 7, based on our test, is much easier to apply and use. It's much better. Okay, the always on display watch face for the Xiaomi B Band 7 Pro is just based on the watch face that you apply. Okay, so let's check on the different menus of the wearable. Okay, so let's adjust first. Okay, okay, let me lower this so that we can see both of the wearable. Okay, we already adjusted the platform here, so let's check the menus and the different functions available for these two wearables. Okay, on our left here we have the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, and on our right we have the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so let's check on top to bottom. We do have, okay, let me activate it first. Okay, we do have these settings. Okay, while here for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, we do have, okay, the notifications here. Okay, for the settings, it is, I think it is available here on the left side. So as you can see here, we do have a flashlight support here, which is very useful. Okay, we have the shortcut for settings, alarm, do not disturb mode. Okay, timer we do have here also for the uh, Huawei Band 7. Okay, let me adjust this thing. Let's set it to 5 minutes. Okay, so again, okay, for the right side we do have, okay, so the different, okay, functions. Okay, in Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro they call it widgets. Okay, here on the Huawei Band 7 we do also have the different functions here. Okay, widgets or direct access. Okay, so on the bottom part, okay, let me go back. Okay, this one. Okay, you need to have a very you need to remove the oil from your, okay, you need to remove the oil from your fingers to be able to use the wearable properly, as you can see. Okay, so when you are on the last part here, so it's hard to go back to the main menu here or the home screen, so you need to swipe it first here. Okay, going back. Okay, while for the Huawei Band 7 it's much easier because just press on the home button here and you will automatically go back to the home screen. Okay, on the bottom part here, okay, we do have the different functions and features of the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. For the Huawei Band 7, just press the power button here. Okay, very useful. That's why I'm a fan of the home button. Okay, much easier to navigate. Okay, so again, let's go back. Okay, for the workout. Okay, so we have indoor run. Here for the other part, we do have outdoor walk, walking, freestyle, so different setups here. Okay, so it is easier to navigate here in the Xiaomi Mi Band Pro, I think. Okay, I find it much easier to navigate. Okay, so we have other sports here. Okay, it is categorized into different, okay, types of sports here: outdoor, work, dance, combat, water sports. Okay, so going back. Okay, going back for workout. Let's check. Okay, for example, walking. Okay, walking. Let's check here. Go. Start. Okay, can we start now? Let's check. So as you can see here, it monitors for the distance, the time, the heart rate also here, calories. Okay, continue. Steps. While for the Huawei Band 7, we have pace, steps, calories. Okay, it also shows the stress. Okay, the distance, the time. So much comprehensive in the Huawei Band 7 compared to the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Okay. Okay, let me check. Okay. Don't press here or just press this one. Home. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay. So let's check for other functions here. Heart rate. We do have the heart rate here. So both detects whether you are wearing the heart or you are wearing the smart band or not. If you're not wearing it, okay, it will not be able to detect your heart rate properly, and of course eventually it will show you that you are not wearing your fitness tracker, as you can see here. Okay, so it works. So far they are very close to the results based on our test. Okay, we do have an SpO2 monitoring. We have support for activity records, sleep monitoring, okay, music control, stopwatch. Okay, so we also do have it here in the Xiaomi Mi Band 7. This is for the activity tracking. We do have here, I think. Okay, you have breathing exercises here, the activity record. We do also do have it here. Okay, so I find the data for the Huawei Band 7 much better compared to the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. As you can see here, you have a lot of options. Okay, but it has a comprehensive sports function for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Of course, it also has G sensor, heart rate, blood oxygen, and GPS. Okay, for the watch face here, okay, long press, and you can change the different watch faces here. Here, long press. Okay, so up and down cycle here. Okay, for the settings, let's check. Okay, we have display, vibration, do not disturb mode, pin, system, workout settings here, system updates, and about. Okay, so they all got the basics here. Okay, I find it much easier to navigate for the Huawei Band 7. Okay, that is because of the, I think the physical button, home button, is very useful. Stopwatch. Okay, weather. What else do we have here? Camera control. But I like the sports function also of the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. So here we have the automatic activity tracking. Okay, so this is the automatic activity tracking for the Huawei Band 7. Okay, So far for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, the problem right now is it is not yet available for global, or there's no global version, there's no update also, I guess. So some of the functions are limited. Unlike with the Huawei Band 7, it's already out for the international market. So it has an update as well as much better list comprehensive list of functions, especially in the watch faces. For the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, it is still very limited. But with the new product, the Amazfit Band 7, that is pretty similar to Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro but without GPS. Okay, it has a very detailed functions when it comes to sports tracking. Okay, I guess for the connectivity here, they are just the same Bluetooth 5.0, I think. Okay, with a very 12 to 14 days of battery life. So it varies depending on your usage. But both do have a okay what do you call this one? Good waterproof rating. So there's a list format option for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro when it comes to the menus also. Okay, what's this one. So here you have the basic running or walk. I like this one. Okay, it's like a trainer for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Very useful. Okay, it's not available in the Huawei Band 7. So if you like to exercise, we do have a very good feature for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro compared to the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any questions regarding these two wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. This is your Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, and we have the Huawei Band 7. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews.